In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create quote stickers in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a personal touch to your social media posts or simply share a bit of positivity, making your own quote stickers is an amazing way to do it. And the best part, it's easy, fun, and perfect for beginners. First, let's get started by opening Canva on your computer or mobile device. Canva is such a versatile tool, and the fact that it's free makes it even better for this project. Once you're in, type quote sticker into the search bar. You'll instantly see a bunch of pre-made templates pop up. Take your time to scroll through them. There's a wide variety of styles, so you're bound to find something that fits your vibe. When you find a template you like, click on it. You'll see an option to customize the template, and that's where the fun begins. Customizing lets you make the design truly your own. Now, think about the quote you want to use. It could be something inspiring, funny, or just a personal favorite that resonates with you. Once you have it in mind, go ahead and type it into the template. Don't worry about fonts or colors just yet. We'll get to that. Next, let's play around with the font style and color. Canva has tons of fonts and color choices, so feel free to experiment until you find a combination that looks great and matches the feeling of your quote. Sometimes, a simple change in font or color can really make your sticker pop and give it that extra personality. Once your text looks perfect, it's time to save your work. Click on the Share button at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. The default file type will be PNG, which is ideal for keeping your sticker crisp and clear. Click Download again and your quote sticker will be saved to your device. Now your beautifully designed quote sticker is ready to use. You can post it on your social media, send it to friends, or even print it out if you'd like. The possibilities are endless, and once you get the hang of it, you can make a whole collection of stickers in no time. And there you have it. Creating quote stickers in Canva is simple, fun, and a great way to share a little inspiration with the world. With a bit of practice, you'll be designing your own unique stickers in just minutes, each one with your personal flair. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy spreading positivity with your new quote stickers. Don't forget to try out different styles and have fun with the process. It's all about creativity and expression.